Back in 2008, the Michigan Medical Marijuana Act was signed into law. Under this act, medical patients in Michigan can receive a cannabis card which allows them to consume marijuana to ease their ailments. So how do you sign up? To qualify, you need to meet certain requirements, including a doctor's recommendation. There are a few steps you need to take to qualify and get your card. We're going to take you through the Big Five. Step 1. Do you qualify? If you're living with a condition that affects your daily life, or if stuff just hurts, there's a good chance you qualify. To qualify for a card, your medical condition must fall under the accepted ailments. Those include cancer, glaucoma, and HIV, but also include non-terminal ailments such as anxiety and persistent nausea. Living with one of those ailments? Then you are one step closer to a cannabis card. But there is a catch. If you're under 18, you need to get a parent or guardian on board. They'll sign off on your application and help monitor your use. Step 2. A doctor's recommendation. The doctor who signs off on your cannabis card can be your primary care physician. Once you've got the card in your pocket, you'll see the doc for regularly scheduled visits to keep your card legal. It is required that you see the doctor that recommended your medical marijuana card at least once per year. Step 3. Find a dispensary. Most major cities in Michigan offer several dispensaries where you can use your card. Lansing, Ann Arbor, Detroit, and Grand Rapids all have many options for obtaining medical cannabis products. Step 4. Know your limits. Having a cannabis card doesn't mean you can buy the whole store. According to law, each patient may possess 2.5 ounces of usable marijuana and usable marijuana equivalents plus 12 plants every 2 weeks. Step 5. Pick your products. Have a specific marijuana product in mind? Then a dispensary in Michigan probably has it. With a card in hand, do your research and take advice from the bud tenders. You'll be feeling relief in no time. Now it's time to make your card a reality. We can walk you through the application process. Our team is full of experts who know how to get you the relief you need. Reach out to us today. If you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.